YouTube, what is up? Listen, periodically, I always try to find a new setup that catches my eye as far as trimmers go. We're looking for something that can cut lines like lasers, okay? That's the whole point of some of these videos. Every once in a while, what is the sharpest setup currently out? This video is going to be focused on the best setup from the Pissed Off Barber. So if you are new to the channel, stick along. We're going to have some footage of how it cuts. I'm going to show you guys the trimmer and the blade to put on there. Let's get right to it. This time, it's the TPOB plate trimmer with the Psycho blade installed on top. Now, if you have the plate trimmer, you will know that it comes with the pencil blade installed, which is like a little mini sized blade. And we're going to be just swapping them out. Very simple. You're going to take that off. You're going to put the brand new Psycho blade on top of it. You're going to watch how these things cut. Be sure to zero gap your Psycho blade. This way it works the best and it's the sharpest. Now, before we get into this, guys, go down below. Please hit that subscribe button. Help a brother out. Make sure you guys drop a comment also down below and let me know what the best, sharpest trimmer setup is that you are using. Now, as you can tell, those were some excellent results. I used one of my buddies who comes in all the time. I cleaned them up. I used the trimmers on them just so you guys can see how it lasers that line in there. No problem. All right. It's just a tap and go. So I thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys stick with me. I will have more videos out for you very shortly. Peace out.